Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. If your Gmail inbox is a chaotic mess and you can never find anything, this video is just for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to assign labels in Gmail so you can organize your emails, sort them by category, and even automate it like folders but smarter. Labels in Gmail are like folders but better. The same email can have multiple labels and you can color code them, nest them, and even filter emails into them automatically. So let's learn how to create and assign labels step by step. Firstly, start by opening Gmail and look at the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on the More option. Then go down and choose the Create New Label option. Once you do that, this box will appear which will ask you to enter a new label name. So give your label a name like work, bills, YouTube ideas, whatever helps you stay organized. You can also nest it under another label if you want folders inside folders. So choose the another label which you want to nest it under and then just click on the create option. Once you hit create, your label will appear in the sidebar and will now be ready to use. So if you go there and just click on more, here under the personal label, as you can see, I have created the sub label that is YouTube ideas. And now to assign a label, simply select the email or emails which you want to organize. Then just go up and click on this three dot option which says more, and from here click on the label as option, and then from here you can select whichever label you want to put it under, and then just go down and click on the apply option, and here as you can see it is labeled. Now if you want to save time, you can even set it up so Gmail automatically assigns labels when emails come in. And for that, just go up and click on this filter icon. And here, type in conditions like the sender, subject, or keywords. And then just click on the create filter option. And now choose apply the label. And from here, choose whatever label you want to apply it to. And then just click on create filter. And here, as you can see, my label has been applied here. These labels are perfect for newsletters, clients, or receipts, and it keeps your inbox clean automatically. Well, so that was it. That is how you assign and manage labels in Gmail like a pro. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more Gmail tips and tech tutorials. And if you have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comments box. Thank you and have a nice day.